So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the text font here in Design Wizard. So once you're into Design Wizard, what I want you to do obviously is add some text into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, press on the text button right here, then press on add a heading, add a subheading, or add a paragraph. We'll just simply press add a heading. And once you're here, what you can do, just for demonstration purposes, I'll just make this a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. And how about I change the text to text font? Just like that. So to change the text font, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text you're open to change the font of. Go to the top, and where it's actually highlighted right here, where it says Lato, this is the text font currently being used. So if you were to go ahead and press on Lato right here, you can then go to the fonts right here and then search up a whole bunch of different other fonts. So you can go to maybe this one right here. You can search up Alpha Slab 1 font. You can go to Alice font. You can go to Anybody font. You can go to whatever the case is. You can scroll down. Do this font right here. So if you like a certain font, you can search it up. We'll do Banger's font right there. There you go. So it's pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can edit the text font here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.